In this video, we're going to look at the idea of what is known as conditional probability. So, an unbiased die is thrown, an even number is obtained. What is the probability the number is prime? For an unbiased die, the sample space is going to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can draw that diagram like we've done before. Now, we require the probability of a prime number given, and key word here, given, an even number, because we know that an even number has been obtained. Now, if we do that, there's the even number, then the only number of those three numbers which is prime is the number 2. So therefore, we can see that the probability, the answer to this, is going to be 1 out of 3, because we knew that the number was already even, and we were asked to calculate the probability of the number being prime. That's only 1 out of 3. However, let's see if we can establish a formula for this. We can all get that by doing the probability of a prime number and an even number, which is the intersection, divided by the probability of an even number. If we look at the probability number of a prime number and an even number, now considering the whole sample space, that will be 1 out of 6. And if we consider the probability of an even number, considering the whole sample space, that will be 3 out of 6. Obviously, the 6's cancel, and we get 1/3, which is what we thought the answer would be. So, for events A and B, the probability that A given B happens is the probability of A and B, the intersection, divided by the probability of B. And that is written as the probability of A given B, that's what a straight line means, is equal to the probability of A intersection B divided by the probability of B. You should think of it that these two letters here have to be the same. And this is an important formula which you need to learn. This is called conditional probability. Okay, so this has been a video to introduce you to the concept of conditional probability. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.